that's your American cowbell. Stainless steel, which is rusting, so. And this one. Smallest one's the loudest. This one doesn't have a dong in it, it's only louder than that, same sound. That's a homemade one, very similar to these. This is our old one. A very fine sound that doesn't travel very far. And these are just heavier versions of those. Yeah, I must have a couple dozen of these. Well, that's pretty. That's an old one too. But you can notice a better brass in them. Just from, I think it's just. And then I imagine this may be something to do with where it was made. Even here, I don't know what that says on there, but it does say Swiss made. That I can read. Classic AG. Notice how loud again. These are loud ones. And again, not very big, so they don't interfere when she's eating in the barn. Or it's always kind of a trick to have the belt tight enough, but not too tight. When the cow's got her head up, it seems to tighten up real tight. When the head's down, it gets really loose, and sometimes you can get a little bit of a callus started. So you have to be. But if you get them right, they're pretty good. I mean, you have to look at these bells like it's like jewelry for these cattle. I mean, let's face it, there's 1,600 pound, 1,800 pound animals. I mean, this is nothing. This is, I mean, nothing like a big pair of earrings, really. It just makes noise.